Okay, this is my microcontroller programming contest project in my poorly lit living room. You can see my stereo cabinet and my speakers here. And inside my stereo cabinet is a TLWR703N wireless router used as a internet radio. And I made this console for hooking up to it and controlling which station is playing. So right now it's playing station number 4. I can turn it off by pressing 10. I can pick another station by pressing a different button. The light stays lit for whichever station it is. You can see my list of stations right here. It takes a second to come on, but that's a feature of the internet radio, not the control panel itself. I have it hooked up to the serial cable, which connects through the back of the stereo cabinet to my custom adapter, which connects to, well, great lighting, huh? Custom adapter on the serial cable connects to my FTDI basic breakout, which is hooked up to the USB, which is hooked up to the internet radio, which is this little wireless router here. USB plugs into this hub. This hard drive serves up the image for the router, and this is a USB sound card that the router uses to play its music using MPD and MPC. So when I press the button on the console, the microcontroller sends a command to, over the serial line, a script running on the router parses it and determines which of the 9 preset channels to play, and commands MPD to play that station. And that station plays until my son turns it off, or until you hit the stop button. There you have it.